My whole clique, we riding around now, it's a fucking rap. You been talking all your shit, you getting fucking clapped. I been hearing left and right, you hate this shit, I fucking rap. But I ask your name, they tell me, I'm like, who the fuck is that? I been rolling through your hood like every day. Suddenly all of you ain't got shit to say. I think it's funny how your life is turning gray. I don't got time for the drama, bitch, I'm getting paid. Fully loaded magazine, I pull up thrashing every which way. Acting vogue, ain't got time for the stupid bitch games. I've been dropping all this music and it never give me shit. I think that it's time I change it up. What's it mean to quit? If I drop 100 tracks and I say your shit ablaze, then I won because I left you sitting with nothing to say. Change the flows, change the clothes, change the all around life, bitch. Went and got a wife, bitch, only one night, bitch. I'ma drop a bomb, make it look like it's a song. Take that preem up off your chest and throw that shit into a bonfire. All that I've been spitting, I'm the Southside dragon. Now they like, goddamn, what happened? He got good while I was napping. Stay asleep, take them Xanax and go take your ass to bed. You ain't even smart enough for this to process in your head.